Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you some basics about Excel. This is very simple, some tricks we should know about doing addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So suppose we have a data set here of earning and expense. So you can see this is the month-wise earning of James, John, Phillips and Thomas. So 4% and their monthly expenses as well. So suppose I wanted to know that how much is the total annual income. So what I have to do that we have to perform addition. So how I can do that? So simply there is a different way of doing that. You can do like by doing addition. So for example, you can add this value and you can plus sign, then add second value, and then plus sign, you can add third value, then plus sign, you can add fourth value, and again plus sign, you can add fifth and sixth. Likewise, you can keep adding all the data and it will give you the additions of all the value. So this is very simple. If you have less number, you can do that, but you can click it. So you can see that this is how I added all the value here. You can formula, you can see here, and this is B1 is the position, so you can know that B1 is 2000. So likewise, but this is a huge number and it will take more time. So other way of doing that, you can use sum function. For sum function, you have to write equal sign and write sum here and just parenthesis, and you can select first value and drag it down from top to bottom and then press enter. So it will make your job easy. Actually, you don't have to really add individual values. So sum function is very useful that you can use it. And if you get total value of one column, you don't need to do rest of them. What you have to do that you can select this value and drag it from this corner to all way like this. So it will give you the total earning of other person here. So this is very simple. This is sum, and I'm using function here, and this is like the sum statement. Like you can do individually additions, you can do that too. So but this is like more useful, I can say, using sum function. And suppose if you wanted to perform subtraction. So for example, how much is the individual saving of these persons month wise? So subtraction is also like very simple, as you do in your notebook. So simply you have to write equal sign. So remember, you have to always start with the equal sign. So you have to start with the equal sign, select the first column value where you need to subtract, and this is the earning, and write a subtraction sign here and then select the expenses value and press enter. So it will give you the value of saving. So this is subtraction. So this is how you can easily calculate by dragging it down from top to bottom for rest of the month. So this is how much the saving in January, February, and likewise. So subtraction you can do in Excel, that is very simple. And suppose if you want to do division. So if you wanted to know that how much is the this is the daily, this is the monthly expenses. If you want to know about the daily expenses, so simply you have to divide with the days. So for that, you can do that equal sign. As I told you that you have to start always with equal sign, select the number and write a division sign and select the number you wanted to divide. So here days in month. So I can press enter. You will see that this much is the daily expenses in month of January. So you can drag it down. So you can see that what is the daily expenses in different months. So division is also very simple. And suppose if you wanted to do multiplication, and suppose multiplication. So suppose the income of these people are going to be double in next few years. So how much it will be? So what income they will get? So you have to simply write an equal sign and choose the value and multiply with 2. So this will be the double value. So this is for first person, and drag it down. So this will be uh, you know showing the double value of whatever they are earning today. And if you want to know about the other person, you have to drag it down from left to right, and you can simply drag it down from top to bottom again. So you will get like all these values are now multiplied with 2. So multiplication, so here I explain you basics about the addition and subtraction, divisions and multiplications. So this is very useful for general use, and thank you very much for watching.